am your success coach, Dr. Gaurav Sethi here. Management Sutra for the day. Success is the sum of several small efforts repeated often day in and out. This is a perfect line. हम सक्सेस एक दिन में नहीं पाते हैं. सक्सेस पाने के लिए हमें हर वक्त, हर दिन, हर समय काम करना होता है, मेहनत करना होती है. आप जो मेहनत आज करेंगे उसका फल आपको कल मिलेगा. Well, the topic of discussion today is boats and streams. Boats and streams is a topic that is often confusing topic for students. In today's discussion, I will try to clear few fundamental affairs relating to boats and streams. Well, let us have a look at a few important terms in this topic. Basically, there are two kinds of speed. दो तरह की speed है. One is speed of boat and other is speed of water current. What is speed of boat? Speed of boat is natural speed of the boat when it is sailing in a current-free lake, when the speed of water current is zero. Water is still water. This situation. The other actual speed is speed of water current. That is the speed of river. We can say it speed of river, speed of a stream, rate of flow of water, rate of current, speed of current and all that. So this is the speed by which the water flows. Now, there are two relative speeds. There are a combination speeds of speed of boat and speed of water current. When the water flows along the flow of current, when boat rows along the speed of current, in that direction, along the flow of current, in that direction it is known as speed downstream. When boat flows opposite to the speed of flow of water, this speed is known as speed upstream. Let us have a look about these concepts. Imagine the situation. Water is flowing in this direction. This is the direction of flow of water. Now when boat sails along downstream, that means that the flow of boat, the direction of boat, that is along the direction of water. Same direction में, जिस direction में पानी बह रहा है, उसी direction में boat चल रही है. This is known as downstream speed. और जिस direction में पानी बह रहा है, अगर ये boat उससे opposite आ रही है, this is known as upstream speed. So, when boat sails along the direction of flow of water, it is known as downstream speed. When it sails opposite to the flow of water, opposite to a direction of flow of water, this is known as upstream speed. Obviously, जब हम पानी के फ्लो के साथ में चलेंगे, हमारी स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी और जब हम पानी के फ्लो के अपोजिट चलेंगे तो हमारी स्पीड कम हो जाएगी. तो यहां पर हम देखते हैं कि ये बोट की तीन स्पीड है, हमें उनसे कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. बोट की थ्री स्पीड्स हैं. फर्स्ट इज स्पीड ऑफ बोट, फर्स्ट इज स्पीड ऑफ बोट, SD and SCO. These are three situations. SB indicates speed of boat in still water. SD indicates speed of boat along with water current. And SU indicates speed of boat against water current. SU indicates speed of boat against water current. तो ये तीनों स्पीड ऑफ बोट ही हैं. सिचुएशन पे ध्यान दीजिए. स्टिल वाटर लिखा है, अलोंग विथ वाटर करंट लिखा है, या अगेंस्ट वाटर करंट लिखा है। ये तीनों एक ही चीज की स्पीड है बोट की, लेकिन अलग अलग सिचुएशंस हैं। और एक अलग डायमेंशन है SWC, जो वाटर की स्पीड को इंडिकेट करता है। अब मैं स्पीड डाउन स्ट्रीम के फॉर्मूले की बात करूं, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट फॉर्मूला फॉर स्पीड डाउन स्ट्रीम, दैट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्पीड ऑफ बोट एंड स्पीड ऑफ वाटर करंट। जब बोट पानी की डायरेक्शन में आगे बढ़ती है, तब बोट की और वाटर की स्पीड ऐड हो जाती है, SB प्लस SWC। ये देखिए यहां पर SD इज इक्वल टू SB प्लस SWC। अगर SB में से SWC माइनस करेंगे तो वी विल गेट SU। स्पीड अप स्ट्रीम इज स्पीड ऑफ बोट माइनस स्पीड ऑफ वाटर करंट। SU इज इक्वल टू स्पीड ऑफ बोट माइनस स्पीड ऑफ वाटर करंट। अगेंस्ट वाटर करंट जा रहे हैं, जैसा हमने इस स्लाइड में देखा था, पानी इस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है और बोट इधर, तो बोट की स्पीड कम होगी। कितनी कम होगी? तो SB माइनस SWC। SD is equal to SB plus SWC, SU is equal to SB minus SWC. Now the third formula is, if speed downstream and speed upstream is given, what is the speed of boat? Speed of boat is SD plus SU upon 2. Or to be very precise, in general terms, we can say that it's the average of speed downstream and speed upstream. As we can say, it is lying midway between SD and SU. For example, if I say speed of boat is 15, speed of boat in still water is 15, speed of water current is 3. Therefore, speed downstream will be 18 and speed upstream will be 12. Hence, we can see that speed of boat is average of SD and SU. This is midway between SD and SU. SD और SU के बिल्कुल बीच में स्पीड ऑफ बोट आएगी। अब हम कुछ और डायमेंशंस देखते हैं। व्हाट इज स्पीड ऑफ वाटर करंट? स्पीड ऑफ वाटर करंट इज SD माइनस SU अपॉन 2। SD माइनस SU अपॉन 2। स्पीड डाउन स्ट्रीम माइनस स्पीड अप स्ट्रीम डिवाइडेड बाय 2। As we can see that here the difference between SD and SU is 2 SWC. SD और SU में 2 बार SWC आता है ना, इसलिए SD और SU के डिफरेंस को हम 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं टू गेट SWC, दैट इज स्पीड ऑफ वाटर करंट, राइट? Now, keep in mind few concepts. As an example, I have told you that if SB is 15, SWC is 3, SD will be 18, SWC 3, SU will be 12. हम कंफ्यूज होने की जगह एक सीक्वेंस दिमाग में रखें कि सबसे ज्यादा स्पीड SD की आती है, सबसे कम SU की आती है और मिडल में आता है SB। तो अगर यदि आपसे कहा है, आपको SD गिवन है एंड यू आर आस्क्ड कि आप SB फाइंड आउट करिए, तो व्हाट यू विल डू? आप SD में से एक बार SWC कम करेंगे तो SB आएगा, SB में से एक और बार SWC कम करेंगे तो SU आएगा, या SD से SU निकालना है तो 2 बार SWC आपको कम करना होगा। यू नीड टू डिडक्ट twice of SWC if you want to find out SU from SD. I hope I am clear. Now, few more important concepts. As of now, we are discussed about speed of boat in still water, speed upstream, speed downstream. But there are few conditions when you are supposed to find out time upstream or time downstream. Frankly speaking, there is no different formula for finding time. Just when in the formula time is equal to distance upon a speed, when in formula time is equal to distance upon a speed, you take time upstream. If you want to find time upstream, you should put the value of speed upstream. If you want to find time downstream, you should put speed downstream. And if you want to find out time in still water, that is in current-free lake, then it will be time of boat in still water will be equal to distance divided by SB. That is speed of boat in still water. So you have to do nothing. If you want to find time in different conditions, take the formula time is equal to distance upon speed. When you put speed upstream, you will get time upstream. When you put speed downstream, you will get time downstream. And when you put speed of boat in still water, you will get time in still water. Now, as I also discussed in the concept of trains, many of the times it is given that time is given in seconds, distance is given in meters, but speed is given in kilometer per hour. You need to convert it into same units. So if you want to convert 1 kilometer per hour into meter per second, 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. That means that if speed is in kilometer per hour, multiply it with 5 by 18, it will be converted into meter per second. If speed is x kilometer per hour, multiply it with 5 by 18, speed will be converted into meter per second. And if vice versa, you want to convert the unit of meter per second into kilometer per hour, then you need to multiply it with 18 by 5. You need to multiply it with 18 by 5. I hope these concepts are pretty clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp us at 90395 Wish you a very happy learning. Thank you. Have a good day.